That is the heat fit making that thing spin. You don't see, alright, you see this one right here? Not spinning. Oh, now it's gonna quit.
Oh.
What the fuck? Wait, no, you gotta, oh. Shut all them off. No.
Holy fuck.
It's
spinning. The
That's the
is
highest it'll
fucking
go.
spinning. It's getting faster. Open one up.
No, let it go, dude. It's not gonna come out. Let it go.
Getting faster.
See how fast it'll go.
Holy fuck.
See how much you can cut off. Let it go, dude.
Stick your finger in it. Oh. It'll pick up again. Pick it back up.
Holy
Fuck
shit.
yes.
That one, see, not spinning. And once you gotta cut the airflow off and then go straight to that one.